nooit die hele pad alleen kan terugdra nie. Dis te ver.
Ons kan terugloop.
Dit sal 'n gesukkel wees.
As ons moet, dan moet ons.
Verliese en die karige opbrengste en winste van die maatskappye 'n bietjie aanvul ten koste van my.
Nie ten koste van wil doen nie, per slot van rekening was 'n groot deel van die profite van verhulpsspecie afkomstig van kontrakte van die ou van Wilde.
Dit weet ek. Maar jy moet nie vergeet dat ek al jare lank die las van die maatskappye op my skouers gedra het.
Charlene, you said I'm having a customer. Thought you meant just that.
Then you're a bigger bunny than I am. What's up, Dad? Don't you like it?
No, it is just not the done thing.
It certainly is not. Now, I know we told you to go out with other boys, Charlene, but we didn't ask you to advertise.
Mama, the cleaning gives away more than this stuff.
A lady shouldn't give anything away. Now, you put your coat on and leave it on until you're safely inside that party. Thank you very much.
It's no point Greta wasting all the money on a motel room when she can stay here with us.
Oh, yes, oh.
And it means we'll have more time to spend together. Really get to know each other.
Introduce you to Amanda. She and her 2 children have been at the shelter for close on 2 years now. Her husband, who lost his job when he became ill with cancer, recently died. Her room, her clothes, her food are all handouts.
Die TV skop af met Huckleberry en sy vriende. Dit word gevolg deur 'n taamlike kouerige episode van die Bere van Tarak.
We find out who's judging who in today's episode of Brave Star. Then mini TV goes out with a bang with an action-packed story in Rambo.
What about the paternity test?
No, Philip, it's not arranged.
Why not?
I'm sorry, darling, the hospital won't do it now.
She's a lady in red when everybody else is wearing tan. The flashy girl from Flushing, the very named Fran.
If you could spend the night with anyone, who would it be? We both know game solver sucking your cheeks.
Never know. My answer may surprise you.
Listen, this shares business is very complicated, hey? Now listen, if it was up to me, hey, I'd give you the shares, happily. What's the matter?
I'm just having difficulty swallowing this.
Luister, Jill, jammer oor alles. Goed, Steve het dalk hand uitgeruk.
Ja, en jy het ook, Bram.
Dit was maar net iets tussen ons.
Ek's nie dom nie, ek weet dit, dankie, maar ek hoef dit beslis nie op te vreet nie.
Maar is daar nie rede vir jou om weg te gaan?
Moenie vir my sê wat om te doen nie.
Ek bedoel nie om dit te doen nie. Ek wil net nie hê dat jy weggaan nie.
Nee, los my uit.
Maar jy wil basret op nie. Ons soek net die waarheid. Name, datums, plekke en so aan. Jy het nog net een kans. As jy nie saamwerk nie, is jy hondekos, want ons weet reeds dat Montreux 'n mol is. Die vraag is net, kontroleer jy hom of kontroleer hy jou?
Josephine, as jy ons nie help, kan ons jou nie help.
Hoekom weier jy nog steeds om borg te betaal, Josephine?
As jy bang is vir iets of iemand, kan ons jou goeie beskerming gee.
A Russian fresh dancing troupe was performing at the Winter Country Club Resort when we visited. Fresh from a stint in the Far East, the dancers were on the Namibian leg of a world tour. This is a typical example of the dazzling entertainment you'll find at Stock Hotels in Namibia.